Hi, let's say you have a beat and I would like to replace all of these hi-hats. I could delete them and pick another sample and place it, but in Cubase you can drag and drop a new sample, and while holding Alt and Shift you can drop it. Cubase will ask you about copy files, and also if you would like to replace one or all of them. I pick all, and all my audio samples have been replaced. Also, you can do it from pool. For example, you pick a sample, you drag and drop it, you hold Alt and Shift. That's how you can replace your audio clips with another one.